Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Samsung SmartThings washer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung SmartThings washer in their Airbnb or at home. And so with it, what we're first going to go ahead and do is open up the side loader, and this is where you're going to go ahead and load your clothes. So once you go ahead and load your clothes, just make sure that the door is shut, of course. On the top left, you're going to go ahead and open this up. It slides open. This is where you're going to place your fabric softener, laundry detergent, and any bleach that you want to go ahead and add. So once that's loaded, you can close that. But in addition, you could also use pods to go ahead and throw into the side loader right over here, and that will automatically dissolve. So afterwards, press the power button. It's going to go ahead and load up. You can cycle the knob between different types of modes depending on what type of clothes you're about to wash. I normally just run it on normal and then press and hold the power button or the play button or pause button, and it'll go ahead and run. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is how you run the Samsung SmartThings washer.